Did you know this is the third place as well, this show? You are currently participating in your third place.
Right.
The later verse. Right?
Later verse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't mind that.
I'll buy a couple of those NFTs. No problemo. Ants are stealing a SIM card. They got calls to make.
They got calls to make.
This is not a combination of things that I expected to see, but they do lift way above their weight, which is incredible.
Isn't it 10 times?
It might be more. I don't know. But they're way stronger than we are per capita.
Yeah.
Including, wow.
And they work together.
Wow. I think this is a thing that's been considered in the past, but who's stronger, all the humans or all the ants?
10 to 50 times more their own body weight.
Who's stronger, all
range.
the humans or all the ants? And I'm not including like brain power. I'm talking about lifting. Who could lift more?
Good question.
Thanks for your help, Will. I'm kidding. Don't actually do that. Let's just watch the ants stealing a SIM card.
I think you'll really like this one.
I love it already. Wait.
Okay, I have
pretty
something for
funny.
you.
Just watch till the end.
They get it in the crack. That's incredible if they do. I mean, I'm already impressed. They're carrying it. Oh, never mind.
I can't believe that's the end of the
They're
video.
on a wall. They're on a wall. They carried it all the way up
All
that
that work.
wall.
They just fall.
Wow. So this is not a crack flat on the ground. It's a wall crack. And they were actually...
Gone.
It's amazing.
Yeah. I didn't think they were going to bring it in the crack.
Well,
I don't know why
they thought that it was
wanted to
something
bring it up
valuable
there.
for building or eating or I don't know. They like the raw material, the little bit of gold that's on there. They're mining, actually. Yeah. They were going to sell it later or something. Yeah. I don't know what their plan was with it, but it's impressive nonetheless that they made it that far enough that they could fall down the wall while lifting. By the way, it's 2 ants. So 2 ants are capable of lifting a SIM card. It looks like a nano SIM or I don't know which one. But they'll be okay. No ants were harmed in the making of this film.
Yeah.
Not a single ant.
All ants together could lift 22 trillion pounds. All humans together could lift a measly 1.1 trillion pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, I had a feeling that might be the case. And who knows what your estimate is on what the average human could lift?
Right, yeah. I guess that's tough.
It's quite a range, whereas I feel like the ant is more across the board.
Right.
They can easily overpower us.
Well, actually, this article says that 2 trillion is more than enough to carry the entire humanity on their back.
Yeah, we could all ride on ants, essentially everywhere we went.
We enslave them.
If only we could organize. If only we could organize those ants.
Yeah.